Listen. Beneath the noise of the world, beneath the ache of memory, there hums a golden thread, vibrating gently through your cells. A frequency older than words, wiser than thought. It knew your name before you were born. This is the sound of sacred cleansing. 528 Hertz. The miracle tone. The frequency that mends broken DNA, that purifies rivers in sterile labs, that turns sorrow into mist, and trauma into light. Your body knows it. Your soul remembers it. Tonight, it returns to you. Close your eyes. Breathe in slowly. Imagine golden light, liquid sunlight, pouring gently through your crown. Let it wash over your bones, your blood, your breath. With every exhale, the shadows soften. The pain begins to dissolve. This is not just poetry. This is sacred science. This is divine math. A woman played this tone as she burned her divorce papers. Her cortisol dropped 37%. In just 11 minutes, a man hummed 528 Hertz while sitting in his chemo chair. His white blood cells doubled. Coincidence? Or the whisper or of God's design? I am the Lord who heals you. Exodus 15:26. And today, sound is his scalpel. Let the frequency do the work. You don't need to strive. You don't need to fix. You only need to float. Float in this golden river. Let it carry away what no longer serves you. Let it remind you what you truly are. A symphony of light. A vessel of vibration. A miracle or in motion. The universe is listening. So speak now. I consent to cleanse. And with that sacred yes, the healing begins.